Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I hope that you're doing well. Thank you so much for joining me once again on this channel. Today's video is a very simple video. It's just a journal, a photographic journal, if you will, in which I share with you some of the photographs that I was able to make, not this week, but the previous week. And so all of the pictures and all of the B-roll that you're gonna see, they were all shot with this little tiny beast, which is the Fuji XF10. I'm not gonna talk about this camera too much in this video. I will be making a combos episode pretty soon, within a month or so, about this camera. But for now, I do wanna say one thing. This is a camera that a lot of people have expressed an extreme dissatisfaction for. Me personally, I absolutely love this camera. It's been in my pocket ever since I got it. And let me just go ahead and share with you some of the pictures and some of the B-roll that I was able to make with this in East LA and Little Tokyo on this particular week. Hopefully you enjoyed that segment. That segment was, I guess we could call it urban, it was an urban setting, the metro, Little Tokyo, downtown LA. The pictures that I'm gonna share with you now will create a little bit of contrast with what you just saw. So for whatever reason, I saw more horses on this particular week than I have in the last couple of years. And I was out hiking, I think it was like a Tuesday or something, and I wasn't even taking pictures, I was just out, for a little run. And I saw this guy on horseback, and I asked him if I could make a couple of pictures of his horse, and he said that was cool. When I got home and I uploaded the pictures on Instagram, I got it in my head that I wanted to shoot more people horseback riding, or at least more horses. So when Saturday came around, after a really long day of work, I decided that even though I only had about an hour before the sun would set, that I would go to a riverbed close to where I live to see if I could find people horseback riding. Oftentimes when I'm driving past this riverbed on the freeway, I see people on horseback. So I went on this little photo walk / search for people on horseback. following morning, I woke up and I thought I'm gonna go back to that riverbed for two reasons. Reason number one is there were a lot of pictures that I felt I could have done a much better job had I not been so shy and had I just asked for the picture. Number two, because there were some pictures that I really did like. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna go back to the same riverbed and I'll repeat the process, and this time I'll get better pictures. And so I went back, instead of going on the west side of the riverbed where it's like dirt, like it's like a dirt walkway, I went to the east side where it's paved. It was really cloudy that day in contrast to the previous day, and I didn't see anybody on horseback probably for the first hour. And so I walked around and I just took pictures of just random. And then as I was walking back to my car, I started to see people on horseback, and I would say, hey, can I take a picture? They'd be like, yeah, and just take a shot. And these pictures that you're seeing now, these were the last photographs that I made on that walk. And as you can tell, my composition was off. The horse turned around and it was actually quite close to me. And so I was trying to get the entire horse as well as the rider in the frame, but I didn't really have a lot of space behind me. And so the guy backed up a little bit, and when he backed up, I was able to make this photograph, which is my favorite from this set. And as I was making this photograph, I heard a text come in on my phone. And when I got to my car, I saw that it was my friend Carla. And just serendipitously, you know, I've been wanting to go to the LA Art Show, and it was my friend Carla letting me know that she had an extra ticket to the LA Art Show. So I left the riverbed and I went straight to the LA Convention Center. Fortunately for me, I had some clothes that I had picked up from the cleaners in my car. And I think we were in the LA Convention Center in the actual art show for about 45 minutes to an hour. So here are some of the pictures that I was able to make during that brief time. Yeah, it was just a lot of fun, and so here's the clip. Okay, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope that you find these videos valuable. And yeah, this is a new series or a new format that I'm trying out. And not all of the videos will be journal videos, but these will be the videos that I will post in between the bigger projects that I'm going to be sharing with you. And yeah, have an amazing morning, evening, afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. And I really hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.